Life is beautiful only when we understand the meaning of it. I started my journey of yoga from Rishikesh, India, and that was the time I used to spend mostly with myself. During those days, I have realized that the universe is a part of me within me. I started to feel my breath, witness changes in my body, and peace in my heart. Yoga is not a workout, it is a work in. My purpose is to make people aware about their inner self and become conscious about life. Come and be a part of this journey of the self, through the self, to the self.